are going to be doing something that I have put off since moving into the house, and that is organizing the pantry. Woo! All right, before we start, let's show you some shots of what the pantry looks like now. Please don't judge. This is the current state of our pantry. There are cameras up there for the house, so I will blur that out. Here is the pantry though. We got a lot of work to do, as you can see. I will admit, I do love to grocery shop. I love trying new snacks. I'm always doing cooking tutorials on this channel. I'm always showing new recipes and things on my vlog channel. And as you can see, my pantry has gotten very full of all those things. I've already chosen a local food bank that I'm going to donate all of these items to. Let's get it done. All right, to begin, we've got this big bin. This is a good spot. Hey, what's a good spot? Bad lighting, ugly light. Remove the items, Cal. Oh, so much better. Cal's on trash bag duty. All right, guys, cleaned out the pantry for all the things we want to donate. Cleaned out all the things that were expired, and it's looking much better. Now to get to organizing. As you can see here, this is my plethora of baking materials. Also, they're scattered along the floor and the floor. I'm always baking, especially in quarantine, because I'm really sad all the time. Quarantine because I'm really sad all the time. Quarantine because I'm really sad all the time. So I came up with this genius idea.
Are we loading it up now?
I'm about to. Why not put it all on a cart? That way I can wheel it in and out of the pantry, and then all my baking supplies are here and I won't have to knock everything down in the pantry. Good idea! All right, we're gonna load it up. Hopefully this works. I'm just putting my cart away, you know. Here, can you see?
So many baking goods.
I found a mysterious bag of white. Not sure what this is.
Flour definitely smells like flour, but that doesn't smell like anything.
Are you guys seeing this? Flours or sugars down here. As you can see, I've labeled all of them. Extra flour, I got this gluten-free flour. We've got bread flour because I want to start making bread. Ah, this is so great. I really feel like making cookies today. I just wish I had all my ingredients. Oh, look, I do. Moving on, what are you doing, babe?
Building an under sink thingy.
We are building an under the sink organizer because our under the sink is not organized. Now while Cal does that, I have a very serious question for you. Does anybody else have an Asian mother where you casually mention that you like something and then they come back with 50 of them when you didn't even need 2 more? Yes?
No, I'm white.
I happened to mention casually to my mom that Cal likes this, which is an instant dakguk, which is like a Korean soup, which is good. But she came back with like 15 of them. She brought so many Shin Ramen Black. It's like, these are all delicious, but we don't need this many. So I'm gonna currently work on organizing the ramen collection and picking things out to donate. I don't even know where to begin. This one looks bomb though. Realistically, I feel like we could keep like 3 of each. Like these 3, and then these 3. I've consolidated our ramen down to this bin here. Moving on, I'm gonna speed through a bunch of different bins. I like to organize things by like chips, crackers, dried fruits, things like that. So let's speed through it, shall we? You say we.
Do it!
Okay. right, things are coming along. Here we've got all the little individual snacks. We got like hippies, these cauliflower snacks, lots of like little Asian things which are delicious. Here are the dried fruits. We've got freeze-dried, we've got like actual dried fruits, some trail mix, we've got all of our crackers in here. We often do like a cheese plate kind of thing. Back here we have all the sweets. We've got marshmallows, we've got cookies, we got little chocolatey goods. The donation bins are growing, which is wonderful. And then over here we got all of our chips. Here we got all of our nuts. I eat tons of nuts for snacks, so we got lots on deck. Cal's cleaning under the sink. That looks so good. We got this like water thing installed, which is lovely, but then a tank had to go under the sink, so we lost some of the space and we had to get a new organizer. So we got that. Looks good. Good job, sir. 2 thumbs up. You're welcome. Update, it is getting much better in here. As you guys know, I work with Alani Nu, so I've got so much of their protein powder, so many of their pre-workouts and things. All the ones that were closed I already put in the donation bin. Here's the thing. I love a protein shake, but I go through waves of them. Like sometimes I drink them every single day, sometimes I go weeks without them. So because of that, they don't need to be exactly like at my eye line. I'm gonna put them probably higher up where, you know, I don't reach for them as much. Oh my God, you guys, I actually did something. Look how much better this is. All right, I got rid of a couple protein powders that didn't fit. They were already open, so I'm just gonna give them to my mom. And then over here, we've got my pump in the back with the BCAAs and then all of my pre-workouts here in the front. These are my 3 favorite flavors that I put up here because I grabbed these the most. We've got Galaxy Lemonade, Pink Guava, and then Breezeberry right now is my current favorite. Love it, so much better. And then now I have all this space open.
What's going on?
I am almost done. That looks good, right?
Yeah.
Chocolate. I also want to do like a superfood section. So we've got like creamer, we've got chia seeds, cacao powder, cacao nibs. You guys, a few hours later and we are fully done. You are not going to believe how good this looks. I am truly impressed with us. I was expecting a lot, but not this much. Cue the montage. Oh my God, I can't believe how much better it looks in here. I'll quickly go over everything with you guys right now, and then when I do a whole kitchen tour, then I'll go more in depth. But as you guys know, we've got the Alani Nu stuff up here. We've got cereals, extra milks, and then boba over there. These are all miracle noodles and seaweed wraps and things. We've got all of the pasta up there. This is all chips. These are all crackers. These are all sweets, as I said, the marshmallows and everything. Here are all little individual snacks. We've got all my seaweeds. These are like my favorite ever. The Gimme Snacks Teriyaki are delicious. Little rice crackers. We got extra rice down there. There's some bread. Over here we got chocolate chips for baking. We have all my extra baking mixes, extra chocolate and sweets, and then ice cream mixes. Canned goods, superfoods, all of my ramen deliciousness. The Alani Nu protein bars, which are literally the best things ever. We've got all the flavors here. Splits, which are also amazing. Extra protein bars, all my nut butters. Here is where I can keep all my potatoes. I never had a place to put my potatoes before, and now I have a little bin for them. So we got a spaghetti squash, got some potatoes, candy, fit snacks, all my extra sauces. We've got truff, we've got like vinegar, sriracha, of course, extras always, random other canned goods and sauces and things. All my breadcrumb mixtures back there, liquid IV, Gevalia coffee, all the goods, all my Primal Kitchen amazing things here, dried fruits, nuts. And I think that's it. Oh my goodness. Ooh, let's see the sink. While I was in there, Cal did the sink, so let's see. Ooh, good job, babe. Wow, looks good. Wow. What a productive day. Donations are gonna go out tomorrow. Last but not least, we got my little cart. We gotta roll her in. Roll, 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 roll. I wanna make cookies today anyway, so. Dun, 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 dun. I should have measured to make sure that it fits. Oh no, Cal.
What?
Does it not fit? Oh no.
Oh boy.
She just fits. Oh my God. Yay! Alright guys, that about wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am so happy right now. My pantry is so clean. I have so many amazing things that I can donate to the food bank and to help out others in need. So I am just feeling so blessed. Thank you to all these amazing brands who have given me so many products to try. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, I'm gonna go do my fridge now, and if you guys wanna see that, it'll be over on the vlog channel, linked down below. We're gonna organize the whole thing. I got all these cute little bins for there too, so it's gonna be wonderful. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys liked the video. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!